nhớ trong cho bé cho lên số tuổi trong sáng cứ bé số là cú sa cho con tôi cỡ đợi luôn bé yêu cỡ continue cỡ cho pronouns Okay, so mấy bốn yêu cả tại last time bé cỡ cho pronouns, bé cỡ cho pronouns trong này chẳng mấy bốn yêu cả ha. Okay, mấy bốn mua xe hở mua practice là ha. Chị mua xe hở practice là ha bây giờ.
bé cô trong cô sợ cho cái
Pronouns, okay. So bé mua picture họ pronouns nè. Bé mua picture họ pronouns là nè. Bé bốn yêu cả tại bé mua picture họ pronouns. Bé mua subject, subject cái gì lắm chị. Subject cái gì cho cái I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay, subject. Two object này object pronouns thì bé mua me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Okay, and then bé học mua cho possessive adjective pronouns cái cho nó chế bé học ta my, yours, his, hers, its, our, your, and their. Okay, cái bé học mua cho possessive pronouns cái cho nó cho mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. Okay, cho nó cho possessive pronouns. Okay, so có bên dùng chúng ta bên một bao dạng pronouns nữa cái còn nội dung nhớ cho bé có test how để bé有冇個 test 做bé成日當地no這bé有冇hata冇比較好 how many types of pronouns 那樣你咪講下 how many types of pronouns 冇比較好 pronouns 那這bé當冇包好那bé當冇包好和一呢這 subject pronouns object pronouns possessive adjective pronouns and possessive pronouns. Okay, cái bé mua bảo lên nó dạng nó okay, bé mua bảo lên nó dạng pronouns tan cho cái nhà sĩ nhà lưu sĩ hở lệ nó nhà sĩ nhà lưu sĩ hở your subject pronouns nó cái nửa hata nửa ta I go to school. Yeah, I go to school. I want to go to the store. No, the I. She wants her coat. She wants her coat. Okay, the she is the subject. No, okay. I want to go to the store. I you call subject pronouns. Okay. They live in Chicago. They are the subject pronouns. Okay? Cái bé học một chỗ có me nữa, okay? Me nữa cái object nữa cái that give it to me. She lives with me. I go to school with her. Okay? I go to school with her. Một cần đợi chung nữ nữa nè. Give all the credits to them. Okay, give all the credits to them. Là she beta possessive adjective nó chỉ beta my house. your car your school your job โอเคจะไปก็รู้ชอก็เตเลหนูก็รู้เชก็รู้เจก็ถูกพูดอยู่ your friend your dad your mom ก็หนาก็จีนั่นน่ะโอเคเจขอคือหาตา mine mine possessive pronouns โนเจตา mine yours okay yours โนเจตาอย่างกูตาก็รู้ชอแต่จะกูจีตาก็รู้ชอกูตา yours is better looking ก็รู้จงเก้าโตก็รู้จงใช้โตละสิก็รู้จงโตนั่นน่ะโอเคเจเป้ได้สิตาเลยโนนั่นน่ะโอเคยะตาไม่จินะชะขอติเจเมนัวกูซะเลยexplain จะไม่อ่ะ
那所以这谁就背了
กูทางคาจะไม่用ได้ซะกูทางคาจะไม่用ได้จะอีปลากมาเลยเชสมั้ยโอเค so ก็ไปเป้าตาหมดเปล่าอย่างเปล่าอย่างpronouns ขออีนจะ subject pronouns ขออี subject pronouns นั่นแต่ I you he she it we they okay จะน้อย subject pronouns I you he she it you we they okay ขอน้อย subject pronouns นะขอตัวนะobject pronouns ยาตา me you him her them จะน้อยyou know จะน้อยไปหัวตา object pronouns okay ไปเจมูลูคือหาตาไปเจมูลูคือตาus us object pronouns give it to us give it to them let them have it no let them have it let her have it let him have it give it to him noจะขอน้อย object pronouns okay him her it us you them me you let me see okay let me see ละชีเนื้อตา possessive adjective เตเนื้อตา mine your his okay กูมั่ว pause หนูต้องplan โอเคOkay, so ไปมูจะ pronouns คือนั่นเต้าหอคือไปเต้าสีเปล่าหอนะแค่เปล่าหอจะ pronouns เจไม่ปุ่นอยู่กลางแต่ยอเลยจังกูมูโอ share screen จะไปใช้นะแค่ Okay, so the nona che pe potanje ku kape ta pe mo plau ho pronouns. Okay. Pe mo plau ho pronouns te ku yo no pe ta pe mo picture ho pronouns. How many types of pronouns? Okay. Te ku ta how many how many types of pronouns okay គេពេលយកខាតតែពេលមក four types ណាពេលតា four types of pronouns គេពេលយក identify ពេល identify cho khó找呢的不样那些样都是就lanche呢 okay 也要但ពេល看 sharp 不样no了那些ពេល收到一个 sentence 一个statement 了被去 confuse 被都看下被收到到用那到要喏 okay 我要但被去报的 difference between 不和 no 嘞那些被去报的好都是就好都嘞路线都那些但是被change 到收到到喏 okay so let's say no 叫 pronouns 呢叫 pronouns 被么比较好 pronouns被么比较好 pronouns okay so 没可以说明就过哈路了 okay 没可以说明就过哈路了说被才来个到呢 okay
เป็นมัวปลอหอนี่ซื่อ
okay 被么不好 pronouns okay now 不好 pronouns 呢你要当期呢你胡来讲喏你胡来讲
suggest pronoun 有一有
okay
suggest pronoun 有possessive adjective แล้ว pronoun อย่าง
possessive adjective pronoun
possessive pronouns
okay okay so cause subject pronouns 呢你要当期你要下出当期
possessive pronoun 你还做的 I you he she it we you they
okay now call object pronouns 呢你下来讲
有还做 me you he her it
okay all right and then possessive adjective what is possessive adjective
ให้做 my your his her it our your their
okay and then the last thing จะเป็นโม possessive pronoun so ne she possessive pronoun 就路线对你要当前
รู้สึกme right
no มี要做 object pronouns 了
เขาก็เนี่ยจะ
okay possessive pronouns no แต่ก็ตากูเลนะก็เลนะนูเลนะจะไป洗到了好了 okay possessive adjective no 觉得นูรู้เจนูรู้เชนูตูอยู่ชีนูรู้เจกันดานูนานูจี不รู้เจได้好了 okay object pronouns no เจเนื้อตาโมจกูโมจก็ยาก็เลนั่นน่ะก็เลนั่นน่ะเจ哈的โมจปู okay so object because it's an object นะนูชีได้คือยา object นะ object นี่จะอีขอคงนะอย่างคงนะ是一ขอ object กูจะบอกใช้ลูมงแล้ว一ขอ object นะ okay เจ subject นี่จะยาขอกูจะจริงจริงนะ subject นี่จะอยู่ยาตัวลุ่นนะ okay เจสอะไรแต่ I subject นี่จะจงเลยคือตัว first person นะ first person นะจะไปที่เกิด first person รู้อ่ะ first person จะอย่า I นะนะ okay I have we นะนะเป้กูนะกูอย่า first person นะ I first person อย่า I นะ have we นะ plural จะอย่า这种读 auto 找少จะอย่า plural นะ singular นะจะอย่า一读是它 singular นะนะ okay the second person จะ you 这种读了会 you 的人高哈นะนะ third person นะจะ he she it จะ they จะ plural okay okay so okay 到到来我们好给录制然后个么子Okay so ไม่ปนกันสาม名字
你这个包含的可以个包含可以percentage adjectives 那可能要的要
possessive adjectives
yeah 可能才
possessive adjective 那จะ要 my house your car your coat your dress his tie his socks นั่นน่ะแล้วก็มุข noun จะรู้จักโอเคดูเขาจะก็จะเลยแต่ my house house นั่นแต่อย่ารู้อีก noun my นั่นจะ possessive adjective pronoun okay อย่าจะเลยแต่ my house นั่นน่ะ my school นั่นน่ะ
okay
the possessive pronouns นั่นจะก็จะ多路 school 然后ก็是下路口路 school 但是ก็ตากูเล่ก็เล่นั่นน่ะแล้ว是กูลูก็ลูนั่นน่ะ
เจขอ subject protected or subject pronoun นะเจยากูยากูยาก็นะบ่ยา
yes
okay
ก็ยากูก็นึ
ในอีนะบ่ยาคนบ่ยาอีล่ะนี่ซื่อขอ is subject pronoun นะบ่ยาอีแต่อีซื่อพี่ใส่แต่ยาอยู่หาแต่อีนะเจยาแต่กูก็นะเจยาอีซื่อบ่ยา
กูก็จะ
ยาอีซื่อบ่ยา
รู้จักคำว่าจะsingular นะ okay singular ก็ใช้กูจะ singular ใช่มั้ยนะsingular だのนะ
เจยาwe there your day นะเจยาอ๋อบ่ยา
right here all ลิงจะเช้าเจยาจะโนนะ we โนยา we นะเจยาเป้โนนะเป้อ๋อ you นะเจยาเม่โนนะเม่อ๋อเจthey นะเจยาโป
กูป๊อบมันจะก็ฮะ
nhưng chúng ta singular nó chỉ là ít từ tốt nên sao okay giờ cha all từ cả sau là nó chỉ là plural là đúng không
okay okay
okay bốn cái sao
cái xem mẹ
okay vậy nhá so xem mẹ nhau okay vậy okay
bé kê
So,
chọn bé
yeah.
nó tao cái kê bé chỉ bao hà lệ chàng lệ hà chỉ lấy luôn bé họ lệ xưa
So, bên you can't know, bên cho một chế bên you can't know. Next time you bên thầu từ bên mua sinh na, bên mua test nó chế bên sinh cho nó. Sẽ mấy buồn you can't picture họ pronouns. Nó cho bên hữu lệ chàng na. Cho cái subject pronouns này giờ cho từ object pronouns giờ cho từ tên nó nè. Okay, so có bên chú cho nó sẽ biết sao lại bảo ta biết sĩ lúc biết sĩ họ pronouns từ cho lúc sĩ họ từ. Okay. Okay, so subject pronouns nè, lấy cái cú từ sau nó ta subject pronouns. I your first person I chỉ là cú nó. I go to school. Okay. I go to school. So bigger pronouns san chế bigger go to verb hả okay. Verb chế bên mà lấy go to noun. Chế bên mỗi cho nó cho lũ ô tàu ý căng lũ hà nữa okay. So bên một chỗ bên một chỗ subject pronouns là I nhớ lên từ I nhớ cú okay cú nhớ但是cú nhớ the subject pronouns okay I go to school I bake cupcakes today okay no cú bake the cupcakes you are a great teacher cái ý từ này khu ý từ sư phụ dòng hình ý từ sư phụ khăn đỡ dòng hình
You are great teachers.
You are great teachers. Sau nó mà yêu singular nữa có nó sẽ hoặc là có you are a great teacher nữa cái nó cũng chỉ mua a nhá nó cũng chỉ mua hát của a to s nhá tao nó plural so cũng ta mẹ yêu cho sư phụ dòng nữa you are great teachers nữa okay they will go with us they are first person they are cho nhớ cho sao nữa nè first person tức là mà yêu plural nhớ cho khó they nhớ cho khó third là nè okay cho khó I have we ta là yêu first person so nè second person thì yêu có hay yêu mẹ nè cái third person thì yêu nữ là chỉ bố là nè okay so có bé you tao lên đó okay cái I nó cái chú cho tại you cho cả hai you to king happy you to king you be okay cái you second person tại có hai mẹ nữa nè cái hồi ta third person nó chỉ bé hai nữ rồi bé hai cho cứ hai nữ là hai bố là sư nè cái có nó chỉ you are the second person your guru I'm the first person no not okay sụt lên làm sao
cái tao tăng ca ha mà mạng ca
so ta ha cho rộng cái một đang trả nó lên thì hà này oh okay so yeah so you count the first person nó chỉ singular no more singular and no more plural okay singular nó chỉ là to này chỉ first person chỉ I am nó chỉ I nó chỉ I'm the first person we are the first person in plural okay plural เนาะเจจงตูนะจงตูซาเลหูอตูจะเช้าเจไปplural ละ the second person เนี่ยเจlink to you second person เจก็นะมก็ให้เมนะ you and you all okay okay now third person เนี่ยเขาอย่า link to third person เจยนือนะไปตาเตจต่อไปตานือเนาะแล้วสิไปตาโป้เนาะซะ okay okay แล้วสิไปตา老no na老人人道no 是那 okay they or yan he she or it 那这边的เนื้อน่ะเนื้อโอโนน่ะแล้วสิเนื้อน่ะนูโม看到เนื้อน่ะนูโมโอ好了เนื้อน่ะนูโม是呀这边是到了了 okay Okay, so me polo molunut lang si Zukono. Singular and plural. Okay. So, then be how much be how jaka much kono na, okay. Jo no je poli mo singular ha plural to shi le. Okay. I, you, he, she, it. Je zi no lu je ya singular. Okay. Okay. So, กูจะหาตาจะต่อจะ singular นะ
Okay.
Yeah.
你是个还要 first person 也要go 不要
First person is I and we.
I am V
Mm-hmm.
I am V 要V 要背不要
We your be
I 呢 I 要过
I your go
Okay.
I your go. Okay.
Okay. They 呢 they 要老不要 Okay.
Okay, so 过到了 Alright, so 这个 key 的lang 呢就叫 singular 呢 okay. Singular 叫一读是了就叫个 key 的lang 呢就叫 no 呢就 first person 呢就 I we okay I we go to second person 呢就 you ก็เราสิme นั่นน่ะ okay. third person third person เนี่ยฮะจ๊ะ
third person
third person เนี่ยจ๊ะ
third
third person เจเนี่ยตา
third person 要
ไป here third person
third person 要 he and she right it
yeah he she and it okay and then plural เนี่ยอย่าเลยจ้ะ
there
they
there
哎呀 third person เจอย่า plural ตอนนู้นนะโอเคตอนนู้นอย่า plural เจนู้นอย่า singular okay it he she or it he she and it เจตอนนู้น they
there
จะนู้นอย่าจะนู้นplural right here การนู้นอย่า plural การตอนนู้นเจอย่า medium okay so chocolate beijing 看啥可能
Kacetlawa macam kalo kamu kalau nom loko yuhashif lo.
Okay, so กูเช้าให้ตา I go to school กูมองกันดาวนั่นน่ะกูมองกันดาว I bake cupcakes today no กูno กู bake cookies นะกู cookies
Miss Kiss
you are a great teacher you are great teachers okay now what am I trying to say they will go with you they will go with us they will go with you ตัวอย่างเก่าคน主告梦我有梦主告我有梦主 us 我有梦主背นะ okay
okay
okay now any questions more questions lunch
con này cô sa tia có thầu có quan chắc chắn nó ta có khả cái mất khả năng cơ cho họ bé thầu từ bé chỉ ra cái thì bé một cho là sai gì bé theo lý chưa tao hả thì ok khả năng này hai lina chỉ nị chạy luôn muốn hai lina này à
cô yên cho lại đó mà cô chỉ cho bù số thêm một sai bị cho nữa bù kinh tu sơ thì bao tại cho cô chỉ một sai cho cô chỉ bao đăng chi yeah
cô yên một sai tại sao mà cô tới thầu chỉ cô một sai ý lựa vậy vì ta có giờ tao một sai thầu giờ sao chắc cờ giờ có tao một sai lựa có cái giờ phát thì hả chi năm bây giờ
yeah có tao một sai một study cho có một nông cụ cho lưu cho có một có một ô bên lửa nó chỉ có làm sao mà
chị theo thợ tư do một tờ của mà của tôi của riêng giờ thì tết tôi chị của tư lo lầu nè chị của những số tờ thật là của xã tao ya đi theo thợ có một tờ tết họ lửa này lại chùa ký chân đạo là cho có phiền này vậy cái thứ ba thì lo luôn là của tư chưa tao mình chỉ đạo của lửa thì là luôn là hai đi nào này ạ
yeah
mong ô có cho họ lựa tăng đó là sư phụ ô có cho họ lựa tăng đó
我这一件就没谈
chị ô ca cho
Nhớ lại cho nó mà giờ bé thằng này đấy cả này đấy soạn này đấy là nó mà để bé cả tàng là để này cái sư mô cho lòng chắc chắn mà khi có một này để này sư mô nhẹ ý lử nó thông chuẩn rằng để là sư mô trở về bé một cái chứ sinh giờ cho khó cái cho đã gọi sư ấy xong rồi cho cái bé sư hà luôn một cái nhau trường mà của sao ta nhìn một bây giờ cả sát luôn thì trên này sư một sở thì là sư cái cậu tàng thì là sư mà lên chắc cả mô nhảy ý lử na sư mà mốt giá ở ý khó có bắt tao mà nó trò trò cái logo mà thì là nó bị sao này mong sẽ có cái na sư nhảy hay na sư sư nó thì cứ sao mà kinh càng sát
เยี่ยมอ่ะยังเยอะเกิน
Okay, so me pomo lu nu lan chi zu cho nó là.
chỉ một là na sư
Okay. Okay, so me cho pronouns they me okay เหรอจะไป pass มั้งเหรอ
ไปพาละตาม
Okay, ไป pass มั้งno ไม่มามั้งจะมา review คำนี้ได้หาอย่าง Okay, so yeah, so ไปมั้งจะไม่บอกปูดไหลได้ได้ไหลเนาะ
แต่คือปอกเขากู้ซะนี่ซะ
ปูขากู้ซะเหรอยังจะปูดไหลคือกูยังมุกเนี่ย Okay, ปูเหรอ
yeahปูเลย
Okay. So, okay. So, ra nó chế bây một cầu to noun. Okay, noun nó chế yếu lắm chị. Noun nó chế cú chạy ra chế cú bộ chạy tàu mình đó. Noun nó chế nữ yếu ý dạng không, ý dạng ý lưu tế chờ, ý khó chờ, rồi thì ý tụ tố này, lúc bê, tế họ nói chế bê hữu tàu tàn noun. Okay. So, noun nó chế nữ chạy hạ ta yếu tố này, yếu ý khó chờ hay yếu ý dạng không, yếu ý lưu chú ý. yếu ý dạng lắm chị cứ yếu lưu超yếu lưu á chị sao yếu hạ lệ chẳng lộ so cú mong mô khả năng càng lưu cho bê ta noun nó chế yếu hạt chú tốt này yếu lệ cứ lung bê ý lưu tế chờ ý khó không ý lưu chú ý nó là cái noun nó chế nữ trong họ okay cái nữ chỉ là ta I you he she it nữ chỉ là nó nè cái okay so now nó chế yếu là họ okay now yếu ta biết chỉ mỗi ý khó now nó chế nữ chỉ yếu ý khó complete sentence cho bé hạ nó nè yếu ý khó complete sentence nó chế yếu chủ yếu mô noun nhớ hộ mô verb nhớ cho hữu mô adjectives nhớ cho hữu lô mô pronouns nhớ cho hữu tên nó tự sĩ nó okay okay so noun này nàng nhớ chị nàng yếu hạt chú nó tốt này nè bây giờ hữu lại chẳng bây giờ lung bê đó lung bê tốt này nó okay 一个古代做上那件做上伦北好像noun 一古代古代越南那件有 noun okay 这古代 library 嘛要去测个苗对苗毛山到对那样到 library 这 library 那件有一个 noun okay so 古北古北做啥的people place or thing or idea 那这不能有哪都是那这没表扬是真正样弄了 okay people place thing or idea 表扬样弄 okay
你是哥哥你有那点words they name people play things 电脑了也脑呀了
place or thing 有的个Sacramento that is a noun okay 还有一个 place 个的 thing tree car 变成了不能有 noun okay house
就那件 bearing 了个要是当脑的呀了
哈
bearing 了是当脑的呀了
bearing 好那得it depends but bearing ing is mostly 要是做 verb
是做 verb 了
yeah mostly yeah
oh ing 的7节的是做 ing 那边呀
yeah but 没得考见你家的说我能当下了那 okay 没能กู还路不走呢这กู还路有头说到no这กู还路做那个走过来说
bây giờ có hai lô kia cả
ก็จะ说了那是
กู们就在说呀okay
嗯
so 被蒙晒着考个的 okay so pronouns 那 pronouns 我要来讲 okay ไม่ปลูกเขาถือไม่ปลูกเขาถือไม่จะปลูกแต่ตลอดแล้วเหรอ
ha
ไม่ปลูกแต่ตลอดแล้วเหรอ
ở bên bảo cái đàn đó đó là có sao nào nó thì năng gặp bé à
okay so 我จะ被蒙晒的 okay so 被叫 nouns 那被蒙不叫 type of nouns 呢 okay 叫做我这被就有到鲁摩我都用到 okay how many types of nouns 个被蒙了要到每个大家那么没经验nouns
dạ bây giờ ở bên keng keng
okay 这这没不来กู烧不当是不要
bên bảo có sao
okay so more 比较好more 比较好 nouns 这边呢 okay 被more没也没烧到没烧呢 okay 被 more 还的 how many types of nouns 这被 more 还的我要烧还的我们咕噜风了叫路okay 叫路路我做过Okay, so 你莫比较好你莫比较好 pronouns 这种呢你莫的I mean 你莫比较好 nouns 这种呢也 Ja, und schau los, schon mehr. Types of nouns. Okay, picture, more picture 好 nouns 好哪？哦，有more picture 好 nouns 这more picture 好 nouns 上去被ใช่好有，跟他们干肉落来弄堂路。
อย่างนี้คืออย่าไปเกิดตอนนั้นเขาไปสาแต่ไปอย่าไปเกิดตอนนั้นทองแล้วมันเดินไปใช้ตอนอย่างต่อสั่ง
有个 Okay, so types of nouns picture 好 nouns 啦被我考个的number E 呢 number E 呢这被我的 common nouns Okay, common nouns 呢这一plaku male lukata common nouns 也没lanchi呢这被我叫 proper noun number 8这被我 concrete noun 呢这不是个叫 nose 哈出不出来 So, okay. Concrete nouns 当这边more abstract nouns.这边有 more collective nouns.这边 more countable noun. The more uncountable nouns. Okay. So, เป็นหมู่บ่หนูจะ nouns เนาะไม่相可呀 Okay. เราเป็นหมู่อีกข้อ就说的 common nouns นี่อย่างนั้นใช่นะ common nouns 那这样 general names for people นะอย่าง个จำเป็น就叫ตัวหนึ่งจำเป็น就ตัวหนึ่งจะเขาเช่านะอย่า like place เช่านะเช่า就ตัวหนึ่งเช่าซื้อมาเลยก็ได้เช่าโล like Vietnam USA you know Russia ได้好了不了อย่างนั้น都是了叫不了อย่าง place นะOkay, people 你见做上买样买好买套对喏不能要人都是了喏 Okay 就喏不能要 common nouns 给别么做 thing 给那个 house horse car school 对喏这不能要人都是了不能要 common nouns 啦给这个的 not capitalized unless at the beginning of a sentence 这要 dog school เป็น每一个 nouns 个女句要少准备呢那可能那特别少的people place people place things okay people place or things okay no ไปหา每一个个หา or ideas yeah ideas or ideas อีกหลักว่ามุจจักค่ะokay เจไปหามุจจัก proper nouns จะ proper nouns นี่อย่างนั้นสิ proper nouns นี่เจจะคือจะ proper nouns จะ common nouns นี่เจจะจำเป็นคือจำเป็นจะคือจิโมจำเป็นคืออย่า always draw to a small letter นะ chỉ mua cho not capitalize. Unless at the beginning, unless you're the first word, the lulu ti the how gang sentence ma she capitalize. So that she might have put in the middle, they don't have to, you know, except to don't she, okay? So cho nói cho cứ common, yeah, cứ có show a no cho rong luôn bên nhá cho hù middle, no they you still have to capitalize, but no, you know, hoe ta place like the Milwaukee things, you know, cho things na, cho things, especially cho cứ cho khổng na, cho people place na they you to capitalize na, okay? That she might cho things cho khổng na che ni chi ha ni yo chu chi yo capitalize unless you're at the beginning, okay? At the beginning. Nhớ to có sentence unde to ma chale na, okay? So I plan ko male explain inyo用语说就别叨叨。Okay. Now, proper nouns no people, place, or things. Okay? People, place, or thing. Okay? Cho nên nó nè. Cho nên nó cứ bộ proper nouns no always more capital letters. No. Proper nouns no thật tư ya capital letters la no you will know. Cái yo chủ bảo ta proper nouns yo cho tư la no na, okay? Proper nouns no you always, okay, always capitalize. Yeah, là cứ tế chờ nó vậy. Like the London, like the Milwaukee, she great, cô sắp còn nó sốt là sắp bao. Yeah, good Disney, yeah, Disney World. No, you should capitalize, not okay. Like Lumbe who John, you should capitalize. Okay. Don't be common nouns, it doesn't have to be common nouns, don't be more like your name, yeah, you still have to capitalize. She might like they not have to be unless the nhớ to học bao các sentence mà người ta lấy capitalize, okay? Chị bé một chỗ bé một chỗ còn nữa concrete này chị ya đây yang cái yêu tố tao nữa, ta lấy hồ concrete nữa, okay? Đây yang cái yêu tố tao lấy cái things that can be perceived. Đây là cái bộ như nhớ hỏi cái tố tao là chỉ cho hỏi cho concrete. Okay. Như trong là for example, like apple, we can touch apple. Apple chỉ có concrete noun. Okay. like onion we can touch onion car we can touch car okay 那种的好呢Okay, now เป็นหมดตัว abstract nouns 那就要叫 nouns คือเป็นตัว知道呢เป็นตัว知道的对也คือย่อ做หูอยู่รูปบ้างเลยอยู่ย่อชอบฟู就在那有ตัว知道呢 okay 那个 ideas 主意就要 nouns 呢一路主意就要 nouns okay so Okay, so 这样的逻辑要okay.
你是何个说个好的我讲要注意啊
一样个 abstract 呢这才到带样个个多知道的对啦个多知道的对啦这要那个对路主义有对多知道的对嘞和对路个加路加路个多知道的对啦和you know happiness 这种啥个多知道的对啦but you can feel it justice 个多知道的对啦 but you can you know sense it you can feel it 那 okay so 你种好呢 abstract nouns they are 叫 intangible 才到大家个有多知道呢这个有多知道呢 okay 这叫喏这叫 abstract nouns 这背后么做collective nouns 这要叫种讲了 okay collective nouns 呢这要叫 words that refer to a group consider as a single entity okay collective nouns 这要的呢 entity这一样那个一路多长你莫一般都能要拿来你要一路多长呢这你莫team 你莫一 team 这 team 你这个多出来可以报的每一般都能要嘛就是嘛路 team you cannot touch it okay 不看啥可能
你是大概还呢
Okay, so collective nouns 那个要一路了是路个呢 refer to 呢路它就一般啦都能啦一般啦都能了是一路都长啦你莫一般都能都好路就能啦你莫一般好一般好啦这种一多边人家拿就拿个多到就都能但是个多知道不路在听对啦个多知道个多知道听个多知道的好味好啦好味个不娘无你讲个多知道啦 OK so 可能要
多到就都能的有多到都能的有说到的人不能了但是有包的了牙这边这不要
Yeah, or team 啦，露露的 team 那些一 team 一 当ตัวนี้一跑ตัวนี้就是一 group ตัวนี้啦这个搞咗啦 yeah
Okay.
这就能有 collective noun okay now 背後錄咗了個countable countable 呢這你有那個nouns that can be counted and have singular and plural 呢所以就攞呢這你有咗 nouns 佢呢佢要多到呢多到要數到呢係要數到一樣呢佢叫 crayons 叫balloons 的話要啲數到呢你要多到要數到嘅係有咁樣依照這種呢依照全面這種也可以數到不但一度二度八度的就攞這保護 collective nouns okay
Okay.
okay so 你種嚟講啦佢這個到個攞呢這就佢要數知道啦佢這你冇得uncountable nouns okay 就攞呢這一樣呢種呢叫做nouns representing substances or concepts that cannot be hold okay cannot be hold cannot be like counted individually like clear information clear data ได้好了不能有能都是了呢 okay 这被搞到被说到这的梦到某家诺有但是嘛被we can touch it but we cannot count how much no no
Okay.
okay so como que خنوس no daujo no ja okay so the nouns representing substances or concept that cannot be counted okay cannot be for example like clay 是呀 like 大家 clay 被说知道一堆那个比较都去米个木比较都雷个木比较都比较长拉个木了呢被说知道一堆但是被报道可以clay可以叫 information 个木就股呢这叫 information 个木就股呢这我说知道的要保类讲要lanci但是嘛我报道要叫 information 所以就可以要叫 uncountable nouns 要 clay 要 uncountable nouns okay 你看下了
你看下面去
Okay, can become to individual. Okay, so bây giờ mong ít khó lũ nữa, okay? Để cụ yếu, okay, so, cho từ ra đây cho cứ, bây giờ sĩ lại chẳng nữa nè. Cái cho pronouns nó chế cho pronouns nó chế bây giờ thằng nào chế bây giờ lo yếu lu một cái cho nouns chế cho nouns nó chế nếu dùng gì hát sửa但是嘛也在北京看下 the difference nó chế nếu you challenging 就不要 but it's okay you know 没得 smart 个嘞chế也只有下来了
nhô cơ này sư bé chẳng tao kêu nha
kinh cơ mà okay so nó chế cũng mua hata common nouns nó chế New York cho cứ New York cho tôn nền lùm bê tôn nền lên bê là chỉ tôn nền place or thing khỏi chờ tê thang chờ là chỉ chờ hai tê dạng khổng đó nè okay chế common nouns nó chế cho là họ usually ma bố trí more capital letters nhớ cho hữu bố但是嘛有的比到好多的sentence 啦 the beginning of the sentence 到好多的刚 sentence 好呢 they have to have a capital letter okay so bây giờ bây mà tiếp头嘛bây sau mà bây chỉ cho lũ từ trang đó lũ đó là mà ta bây giờ bây tốt này là有主cho bây有主cho lũ capital letter 就是错to first initial has the last name initial 呢 okay 咩装备就上备节目说备了上备了才来用 okay so 你种的农你一样个有合作一样咱去那个个有主找路路to capital 做都内容背了呢 okay 都内容背有主找 capital 要hata be 去找 capital 那个no be 操 list down 内容背是 okay now proper nouns 那个 proper nouns 那个你要找找都内容背找找空么之前经了路咯都好像有主到找 capital letter 才来用 okay so 这喏呢就叫 proper nouns proper nouns are the people place or thing 这有主 always capitalize 一样那个 London 那有主到 capitalize mystery 说yeah mystery 要被学的 mystery 那个你nhớ cho nó có nhớ cho nó có nouns 喏啦 okay mystery 那就要看 noun 喏啦但是嘛要下大个补加一个一个出息路一个多到加来了那就你出来一个 concrete 但是嘛有个只背有一个 mystery 是那就要做 abstract 喏啦Okay, so called proper nouns 那就你要 people, place or things 也可能那就 always 找到站到路就到帮那 okay 一样的个别的左上老那就左上那就 to N 它 to Z 要做 capitalize and then 你论被老那就 to L 要做 capitalize 那 okay 我们弄嘛这里要 show the proper English okay 我要特别是说了好那就被别只晒都都能好了是别只晒可跳好阳空好不能给那就别才来至少 capital letters 那 okay so 我来个别下胡忘了估那样别下的 God 万主那就有主少都站到路上万主那就都 V 有主要 capital letters 那 okay God 没加了就 God 那就都 G 有主要都 big G 都站到路上或者的个说的God 也有都 small G 呢都 small G 那就你要说了个叫 God 意思嘛叫阿姐那个叫个you know 都没叫都能背啊 okay 我来弄呢 okay so 要的背摸的 God 都记录呢那就背出来下子万主了 okay 万主上度啊 okay 但是嘛背的 God都 small G 那就要叫鲁蒙古去就讲了但是嘛那个叫万主个说了背好人家我们那电脑那个叫被拖了那是叫阿姐叫个我说了好呢 OK 也叫好那就你只要读万主个讲清背好喏 OK 我读家莫读记录那就出来要读家个背讲清背好喏 OK so 背有到包括 difference 哈读家喏那就要叫家个都能做 OK 都能做都能好读家个读记录到喏那就要读万主个背讲跟清万主好喏 OK so 个背刚才喏背出来shown that strategy offend anybody 也被去报销得被show to small g 是得 no you offend 就跟清万主呢 okay so no proper nouns and common nouns 得有了好了let's go to concrete nouns they are things that can be perceived by the sense concrete nouns they are อย่างคงก็ตัวเต้า的对นะก็ตัวเต้าก็โซเจ้า那就好有 concrete okay concrete nouns 那个古说到古多到路靠路车路 onion 路 apple 这有 concrete nouns okay 这的called number blow 那这有 abstract nouns 那这样个多知道呢样个多知道这有 abstract so 是那个主意别多知道主意啊主意这鸟路帮路是鸟就给啥路帮路啊也别多知道主意 被多知道给 happiness 给种 justice 被多知道但是 we can feel it we can sense it yeah 被 feel 到被 sense 到的头一头都能有啥了被 sense 到的能有啥你去 happy so stress 了以后一个能要做努了好 okay so right here stress okay 给有啥呢给有啥也可能上 okay now 被我们做 collective nouns collective nouns 那些你要讲words that refer to a group of people a group of people คือ被捕到但每一班人都能去种好啦 okay 一班都能去种好这有一班路做好一路都唱的啦也被包人到这你出来有collective nouns okay collective nouns 要叫了好了这那个一 team 那是 lose weight คือ被lose weight คือ被养比较呢他一般都是用呢可以被collective nouns 那这 countable nouns 也让去 countable nouns 那这nouns that can be counted and have singular plural forms okay 这你猜到的叫 nouns 个叫 nouns 叫 collective nouns 那这你猜到的no 被叫朋友说到被他打被莫比较多鸟就胡被路帮no 老是古说到他的个莫比较多趣味个莫比较路帮个莫比较路车 okay so 就 know your collective nouns okay for uncountable nouns 那些有 nouns that representing substances or concepts that cannot be counted individually okay for example you have water and information or data okay so uncountable nouns 那些你用的好他你估要那个 numbers 好那个叫 numbers 那这你估路的no 莫到无咧讲莫无咧讲个说着故说那这你要一看你会路的有时你得有主带个到达莫无咧无的是嘛有说到那 okay so can you call uncountable nouns okay okay so ไปปุ่นกันช้าเลยจ้ะฮะ
你是个大家 repeat ข้ออี的故事就是ข้ออี要还得讲个大家猜的故事ข้ออี你要得说到了说知道
ข้ออีจะ要叫说到了说到的是 doesn't have to be capitalized okay
ข้ออีจะก็还是说
ข้ออีข้ออ้อ那些你也要我们其中一样嘛ข้ออีข้ออ้อน่ะ
ข้อจะ要จะนั่งลงไปว่าyou show ข้ออย่านั่งลงไปyou show you could capture 了呀
อย่าง那个哥伦比亚 Mary Yang her they all have to be capitalized each first letter of the name now
ข้ออีเนี่ยได้ละ
ข้ออี那些it's place people place or thing 都样高但是 they're not supposed to แล้ว they don't have to be in capitalized unless ปุญญาจุตาหงเดะนะ
okay
yes แต่ชิมา your things นะมา yeah you need to capitalize แล้วแต่ชิมา有个木装备都หูก็ตัว account somewhere นะเด you you know like if you put your sentence now okay แล้วก็รู้ sentence ก็จะเลยจอหาno your like your school 或是 your dog they don't have to be in capital letters no like unless 你要做 the beginning of the sentence they need to be capitalized
okay
okay so 我冇嚟到講啥嚟講 any questions
意思แต่จุมันหาจิแต่ละจุมันก็ใช่ว่า
Io non so, che no prima non toccano spettla il video no, ma toccano mon che lo te ya. Ni yo ga sha.
Yeah so ไม่冇ก็หา so ขอ homework ที่ไม่จะการ review your pronouns and then ไม่หาreview your nouns เนาะฮะนะand next week จะไปตัวจะไป review อีหรือจะจะ nouns จะไป有去test for now 但是จะ pronouns 就可ไป的个用的时候的ไป有some test 就叫 pronouns okay so 如really ก็จะการตัวโน้นจะ maybe we can do a test okay ego short la han ju han
okay
so okay well
okay man
yeah okay all right 有了好的给被搞的东西呀ego mo
Le gamane che se o cha cho lo sha ka mo jo lo kha pu cho pe ya ta pe a to a len cho cha se chi sai ka jo mu na pa yin chen mo sha ha mo le mo kha pu cho pe ai o ka chan da
yeah te to ko ha lu te ko ha lu do tlo ko chi make sense ta ko ha le cha ha o cho ko try to ha ko lu mong ko ne make sense e ko me shot la sa len ka sha she ma te to ko tu chi make sense cho ko ha le ha so ko ha ta ko chi ta so ko ha po make sense cho me so tu la so okay so 了好了这边嘛呢星期2 weeks from now okay 2 weeks from now อาทิตย์สองนะ
thank you all
okay 了好了你要从那从那做多
okay thank you all